Okay, guys, let's continue on this. We're going to code for the update. So previous we did code for the save button, and it worked fine. But I want to add some function to it. Let's see something here. Okay, so if I add this record, after I add all this one should set to empty, and this one's to go to back to default. Okay, good. So in order to do that, let's come to our source code. Under this function, let's create a function and call it void reset. And it's just going to just set all the tests. So I'll just copy this variable. I'll paste dot set test2 empty. Okay, so let's copy and paste it 5 times, right? Okay, this should be n, and this should be 4. So this should be a number, and this should be gender, and this one is combo, so this function will be different. Dot set selected. Sorry. Is selected. Sorry. Oh, what is this? So should be dot selected index to 0. Sorry. 0. Okay, so I'll copy this and I'll just paste it and the show. Okay, so let's run and see something here. I'll run this one, this, save. Voila. Okay, so basically that is just it. So now let's try and add function to this update button. Sorry, updates. So let's copy all this. We are going to need it. Paste here. And then also we will need this. Let's paste it, close it. So let's write our SQL statement here. String SQL assign to date person. Have to set. These are the rows. First name. Select. Don't know it. Last name. gender, copy, comma, and paste. The last one, number, comma, and paste. Right. But don't forget the question mark sign. Same here. Same here. Okay. Where this ID is equal to colon, single quote, double quote, then plus. Okay, we need to create another variable here. Just copy this one, paste, and give this one name ID. And this variable name is what? This is the ID. Sorry. LPN ID. Sorry. LPN ID. I'll just copy it and click OK. And go back to our code and just paste it here. You don't need the lowercase because it's a number. Okay, so we pass in this ID here. We're spinning the code in less than a minute. Okay, so here we come to PS, the paste statement assigned to come. Not to prepare statement itself. SQL here dot set string, and we have string 1 here, and then we have fname. Okay, so let's copy and paste it 4 times. 2, 3, 4. And the last one is full. And then gender and last name. So let's try and surround it. We're trying to catch. Okay. And PS execute update. So here we are doing it. The first an SQL statement update table name which is the person, and set this first name to column. We don't know where the ID is this, and this will depend on what. So the first one go with F name, second, last name, third, fourth, where ID is what the user is getting. Now first of all, in order for this one is to work, because let's see something. No, let's try and remove this one. We don't need it anymore, because this one should be enabled before it can work. But first of all, we need to click on this so that it will going to display here. You get it? Click on this one, it should display here. Okay, so let's handle that one. Okay, on your design, on your table, just select events. Get it? Mouse click. We have so many options. We select events. Sorry. Mouse click. This is a GTable. I have some code I will paste you. I will explain to you. Let's click OK. First of all, you need to click the table model because we are going to deal with this table. Table model, you give it any variable name you want. Table. You're going to get this model, this actual table. So the variable name for this table is gtable1. We copy it. This is gtable1. We get the model of the table. And what you're doing is you create a variable called int, and we give name the row selected. So just gtable, you get the row selected. So we have so many rows. So whatever the user will click, if the user click on the first row, second row, we should get it in the row that is selected in the index. So index integer dot pass int. This is just converting whatever it is there into an integer. Get it? In this model that we created here, we should get the value of the row selected. So the first row or the second row that was selected, we should get what? The value at 0. The 0 is just telling us we should get the 0 at this first one. The 0, 1, 2, 3 is an index. So when you click on this first row, you should get this row, get the first column, which is at 0. This is what it means. Then we convert it to string. Then assign it to an index. Okay. What's happening? Okay, so now let's try and catch. Okay. Let's create our SQL string. Let's move from person where ID is equal to this ID. Okay. So what we're doing is this is an SQL statement. This is an SQL statement, and we want to, since when we receive the records, you can see that the first items or the first column is the ID. Get so when the user click on each row that the user will click, you should get that row, get the first column which is the ID, and we should pass it to this index, and we insert this index into SQL. So this is just a container. Whatever row you click on, you're going to store the value in the index. Okay, so at the same as you did, dot prepare statement, which is SQL. Here we need the RSA because we're going to get the record back. Dot ps dot execute query. So now if rs dot next, let's try and surround it by trying to catch block. Okay. So if R is equal to that means we have this in our database. It's going to open. We create a string. First of all, let's do something here. Okay. String f name. Okay, so let's get all the columns. So rs dot get string is ID. let's set the ID to this variable. Copy. Then you paste. Set string. This one set test to ID. Okay, so what you're doing is this statement will go and select what the user click and go back to the database and check if we have such there. So this string tell us we have something in such record in our database. So it will go to the ID, then it will get the value of the ID of the column, then it will store it in this ID variable, and after that we will display it in this ID variable here. Okay, so same, so let's just copy this one and paste 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be our first name. So in the database we have first name, we have last name, we have gender, and we have number. Okay, so this will be from. So from here, TST, gender, okay, this will be last name, TST, and then FN. What is wrong? Okay, TST, FN. Okay, so this string should be gender. Gender should be dot selected item. Set selected item, which is gender. Okay, this is just same as this one. We get this store here set. So let's run and see if it's working. Okay. Crash. Whoa. Okay, what is it? Now, okay, let's check and see. We have something in ML here. Okay, let's change this to option pane and let's see the variable there again. Copy this. Let's paste this one here. This here, dot get message. Okay, let's try and display it in the form. And let's see what the hell we are doing. There is an error of place correct statement. Okay, let's look at it. So select OK. I have mistake on the select. Select all from persons. The ID. Okay, let's try one again. Wow, now it's working. It's working. It's working. Okay, so now we want to, anytime you click on this, this should display. After you update, it should be disabled. Okay. Okay, so let's go to our date button. Copy and events mouse press. Okay, so before this one run, we need to show it all after it's run. Let's show it here. Dot set enable to true. Okay. So now let's run. Wow, so I want to check maybe to kill update for me. Oh, it's starting happening. While this one okay, I'll go back and check again. Updates. There's an update button. Should be working. Okay, let's try add this message here so that we see the error that is giving us. I don't know what error we are having. So let's try again. Okay, actually it worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. So what you have to do is let's just display something here for us so that it's record displayed already. It was displayed successfully, that's all. And also after that, you need to set it empty on the field. So let's copy this test to reset function. Paste here. And also we want to also update the table code. So let's copy show all. This one too. And let's run. Okay. Iman. Update. It's working, everything is working. So now everything is working. Now we'll line with our delete and cancel. So in the next video we are going to add this and this, also search and this. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye. Okay, now let's fix something here. It seems it did not cater for this, so after I update this one, or this one set to empty, but this one is still here, so we need to hide this. Okay, let's do this so quickly. Copy this one, so under the show this and dot hide this one for me. Good. So copy this one and the reset. Let's paste it here. Okay, so we are going to only show it when you click on the mouse on the table, sorry. So let's show it here. Show tests. Okay, now you can see inside and click on it to display. After I update this one, inside,